My students, practically every student, some are preparing for the NEET, some JEE mains, and some for the board. Each student, some for Olympiad, every student is preparing, and every student is wish to clear it and to find the high ranking. Okay, so I'm telling you, unless until you not apply the systematic study, it is a very difficult to attain to gain a high rank. For this, study is very simple. In systematic way, you must approach. There are some persons who are saying you study 14 hours per day, 16 hours per day, 18 hours per day. Practically, you must be honest. You must study with your full alert till your brain is working, functioning properly. If you are tired, you are lazy, you are sleepy, and you are completing hours, so you are not studying. So I am saying to you, never study 14, 16, 18 hours. Study maximum hours till up to the level you can afford according to your energy and ability. You must effort much and much. No need to 14, 16 and 18. If means, for example, if you are studying 18 hours, in one day there are 24 hours. So how many hours remains? 8 hours. In 8 hours, 2 hours washroom, bathroom, bathing, eating, and so on. 2 hours is over. Now there are 6 hours. In 6 hours, will you complete your sleep? Impossible. 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 If we are doing a mental work, so there is rest is also, brain need rest also, and rest of the brain by the playing and by the sleeping, two way. So by sleeping, brain gets rest and our body organs energizes. And second way, by playing you get amusement and physical activity, and by this way also your brain becomes strong, and for the study and to clear the subject and points, strong brain is very important. So playing is also very important for the students. I request you at least 30 minutes, 20 minutes morning, 20-30 minutes evening. Playing is very important. Some exercises which are very important and initially and basic and very important for the students, especially for the students, I'll tell you in the next video. Otherwise my video will be lengthy. I'm telling you a little and how to eat, when to sleep, and what there are some eating substances which are very important for a student. Will explain in the next video. In this video I am telling you systematic study. For the systematic study, if let you are starting any topic like physics, so topic 1 you studied today for 2 hours. In next day, first revise topic 1 and the new topic 2 start. So in revision of the topic 1, hardly it will take 30 minutes, say 20 minutes, and for this you can provide 2 hours. Next third day topic 1 revise, it takes 5 minutes, and topic 2 revise, it takes hardly 20 minutes, and new topic 3 must start. In fourth day topic 1 will take 5 minutes, topic 2 5 minutes, 4 minutes, 3 minutes, like this, and topic 3 it will take 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 15 minutes, and new topic 4 must be revised. On the fifth day, topic 1, it will be clear to you. Only page you will turn, you will see the article, everything will be clear. Now this topic had been properly clear to you, properly memorized to you, and now revise topic 2, and it takes only 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, and 4-5 minutes for this topic 3, and topic 4 it will take 20 minutes, and new topic 5 You must start. So now you'll realize, you will feel a full confidence that it is clear to me, it is clear to it. Now these topics are going to be in your long memory. These are properly learned, and now principles which you have studied over here, if it is applied in topic 5, 6, 7, suddenly, very speedily you will substitute with full confidence, with proper meaning. So there will be no confusion. So your speed, since in exam you need knowledge and speed also, you need knowledge, concept, high brain and speed. Speed will come by active body. So you must play to make, you must do exercise and yoga and playing. So with this your body will be active, will be smart. And smartness, if you don't have knowledge, you don't know formula, so what will be the of the smartness? So speedily, right? So sharp brain must be brain, and knowledge. So if you have knowledge, you will write for speedily, you will write. In this, your concept is clear, questions will be clear, and there will be high speed to solve the questions. So by this technique, you must next on the 6th day you can leave this, and you may start topic 2, topic 3, topic 4 and topic 5, and next topic 6. In next day you may leave second also, or you may very fast, in 1 minute you can revise this, in 1 minute you can revise this. And this is topic from third you must start 3, 4, 5, 6, and next topic is new topic is 7. So in this way you will realize that these topics are in your long memory, concept are built totally clear, and you will feel very happy. Speed of solution of the questions becomes very fast, very clear, very true. So by this technique, this is the systematic technique. By this technique you will have not to do high labor, high effort. With only first day there will be high labor. In second day, in this there is no effort, any high effort, only revision will be for this. This is the new topic. For in this you will have to do high effort. In third day, in this too no effort, effort will be in this only, like this. In new topic there will be effort, brain strain will develop, you will have to apply, and the topic you have studied, there is revision only, and revision causes memorize you and to strong the concepts. In new topic you will have to some high effort. So in this is the technique, that speed will increase, concept will increase, and with less effort more and more knowledge and learning will be. In case you are not doing this, you study today, after 10 days, after 1 week, the topic 1 you will forget. Your labor, you did the labor, your effort, but this effort when 0 is everything, mostly 90% you will forget. So what did win of your effort? Again after 10 days, after 20 days, again you are reading or you are doing any question, you are not able to do, you are weeping, crying that I have done this, I have solved it, today again I have forgotten, mom, dad, I cannot do anything, and you are weeping. So no meaning of cry, no. Please apply this technique. You will realize it is study is very simple. In case there is any doubt, please comment me, I'll reply you. And there are some books, so in description I'll give the name of the books, I'll give the link. So from that some books, if you like, you can select what they are and you can purchase. These are, but one book study is the best study about how to take books, how to select the books. In the next video I'll inform you. So please if you think it is a technical or it is a systematic, so your brother, your relatives to near and dear, this technique must transfer. Okay, best of luck.